In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet you can save, share, or use for analysis outside of QuickBooks. This is quick, reliable, and perfect for backups or collaboration. Start with QuickBooks Online. Open in your browser. Look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Go ahead and click it. If your window is zoomed in or you're on a smaller screen, you may need to scroll or adjust your zoom slightly to spot it, but it's always in that upper right area. From the menu that opens, select Chart of Accounts. This takes you to a list of all the accounts in your company file: assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and more. You'll see the familiar columns for account name, type, detail type, and current balance. This is the list we'll export. At the top right of the Chart of Accounts page, click Run Report. This generates a formal Chart of Accounts report view, which is the best format for exporting cleanly. Give it a moment to load. When it does, you'll see a report header and the full list ready to go. Once the report is displayed, look again to the top right. You'll see an Export button that looks like a sheet of paper with an arrow. Click that icon, then choose Export to Excel. That's the option that creates a true .xlsx file you can edit and format in Excel or import into other tools. The download will start instantly. Depending on your browser, the file may appear at the bottom of your screen, or it may go straight into your Downloads folder. If you're asked where to save it, pick a location you'll remember. The file name typically includes Chart of Accounts or similar wording along with a date, which makes it easy to identify later. Once it finishes downloading, you can open the file to confirm everything looks right. Account names, types, and balances should all be there in their own columns. From here, you can filter, sort, or share the spreadsheet with your team. If your browser blocks downloads, just allow the download when prompted and try again. And that's all there is to it. You clicked the gear icon, selected Chart of Accounts, ran the report, and exported to Excel. A quick process with a dependable result. If this was helpful, feel free to replay any section while you follow along. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your exported Chart of Accounts.